Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Logitech HYPERBOOM portable Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not pairing with your phone or with your other device, or if it's not syncing or connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's having sound issues, it's not responding, all these kind of issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the other reason is if for whatever reason you just want to set this speaker up as a new speaker and delete all the pairing history and everything like that off of it, we can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is come to this side of the speaker here with the controls, with all the buttons on it, and we're going to find the power button and the play pause button. And with the speaker on, we're just going to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until we'll hear this factory reset little sound. It'll go da 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 boom boom. And once it does that, the speaker will just you can let go of the buttons. The speaker will turn off. Wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. And when you turn it back on, you should get like the initial message that you get when you turn it on for the first time. And you can set it up like a new speaker.